Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Re-Ment Surprise Boxes featuring Rilakkuma. This series is called Rilakkuma Room, and we have a few from Rilakkuma Diner. We found all of these at Barnes & Noble for $9.95 each. I tried my best to find a complete box that contains all 8 boxes from a series, but I wasn't able to. I found 5 from this one and 3 from that one. But I love this cute little bear so much that we just had to do it. Let's start with the room. I really want the couch because we made one that is larger for our 10 to 12 inch dolls, and I would love to put the two of them side by side for a little versus. Some of the boxes are lighter than others, so that might be a clue as to what is inside. I'm gonna start with this one. It's not very heavy, so I'm gonna say it doesn't have a large piece like the couch, but I could be wrong. Maybe the couch is hollow. What is this? Ooh, I'm so excited! It is the Tea Time set. It has a little cushion. At least that's what I think it is. It is molded, so it's not soft, but the texture makes me think that it is some kind of fabric, so I'm thinking it's a cushion. There is also a tray, a cup of tea, a teapot, a polka dot plate, and a stack of pancakes. You can see syrup dripping down the sides and a little square of butter on top. The tea can be removed from the cup, and you can remove the top from the teapot. These are perfectly sized for our 10 to 12 inch dolls, making them great accessories for the dollhouse. In the box, there is also a small poster of this collection, and on the back, there are some cutouts that we can use for our tea set. 1 down, 4 to go. This one kind of has a little weight to it. This one is a lot lighter, and this one is pretty heavy, so this one's like right in the middle. I am hoping it's the welcome set. So let's see, because that little table is adorable. Wait a minute. What is this? Is it the welcome set? I think it is! Yep, it definitely is. Whoa, it's a lot smaller than I thought. I was hoping it was gonna be about the size of the box. It's got thin little legs and a wood grain print on the sides and top. It has clear plastic doors to look like little sliding glass doors, and if you look closely, you can see little bear heads. That is so cute! There is a lamp with a nice little shade there, and if you look inside, it really looks like a lamp. They do such a good job on these. Here is a bear head vase. That's cute. And a little pink flower to go inside. It has the same poster and 2 cutouts. We could use this size table with our Shoppies, our hair doorables, LOL Surprise, and calico critters. I would say any 3 to 4 inch doll would work pretty good with this set. Let's try the super light one next. I am going to guess that it is either fashion check or cleaning. Let's see if I am right. I'm trying not to tear up these boxes. And inside we have fashion check. There is a small coat rack that looks like a tree. I think this is a lint roller. It actually does move. And it has a little tiny holder. There we go. There is also a spray bottle and a bear onesie with a faux zipper in the back on a hanger. I wonder if we can put it right here. Will that work? Yes, it works. I guess we could put the onesie in a baby's room and pretend like it's baby clothes. The roller would totally work for our larger dolls as well as the spray bottle. It also has a poster cutout, and I think that's a mirror. Only 2 boxes left, the kind of heavy one and the very heavy one. Let's try the kind of heavy one. I am gonna guess that it is one of these two. cleaning, or favorite. I did want the bed, but I don't think this could possibly be it. It's just too light. But I could be wrong. Am I wrong? Nope. I'm not wrong. It is favorite. It has a small wooden shelf, a vase with a plant in it, a jar with coins, and a little red picture frame. There are different pictures on the back of the poster that we can cut out and place in the frame. We're down to our last box. And remember, this is the one that's heavy. So we are hoping it is the couch. Please be the couch. I can't tell yet. Wait a minute. It's the bed! This set is called Goodnight, and it comes with a little cutout for a rug. Okay, the bed is actually pretty cute. It has a Rilakkuma headboard, white mattress, and yellow covers with little polka dots. It comes with a pillow and a little bowl with a clear top. Aw, man! We didn't get the couch for our verses. Well, I guess we could make the bed. Let me check our crafting supplies. While she does that, let's take a look at the diner, which has a lot of fantastic accessories for the dollhouse. I want the refrigerator most of all. Out of the three, this one is the heaviest, so let's start there. Could this be the refrigerator? I am so good at this. It is the refrigerator. It is a small white box with a door, and there's a little bear cut out on the front. Little bit of plastic so we can see right through it. It comes with 2 drinks, a bowl, edamame, chopsticks, a sticker, a poster with cutouts. Both of these are pretty light, so I have no idea what's inside. Let's just open this one. Any of the food items would be great for our dollhouse. This is the curry set. It comes with a black tray with red trim, a plate with the main course, a brown bowl, soup, a glass with ice water, a carafe, and a spoon. And here are the cutouts from the back of the poster. In our very last box, we have the Tunable Set. It comes with a large black bowl, rice, tuna, then a little bear-shaped topping. We have a little wasabi on the side, a silver stand with soy sauce, a cup of green tea, I think that is, some company, and a pair of chopsticks. We also get a menu on the back of the poster, which is awesome. It looks like our dolls are eating good tonight. And they got pancakes for breakfast. And I think I found some stuff I can use for new verses. But give me a day or two. This might take a while. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Re-Ment blind boxes. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
Something, get it right. Gonna keep on